So you want to make your own character, but you don't know how to draw a head? Well, here's a tutorial. So the first step is just to draw a circle. Does not have to be an even circle at all. And what I mean by it doesn't have to be even at all is like it still has to like look like a circle, but it doesn't have to be like, but what I mean is like it doesn't have to be like a circle, like just like this, like super perfect. And this is not even perfect, but like that, I guess but you get what I mean. But if you don't feel confident in your circles, you can just take a page and just keep practicing drawing circles over and over again. After you've got your circle, you're going to start at the top here and draw a line going down, down, down to where you want your chin to be. But these are just guidelines. And you can start your chin wherever, really, as long as it looks like a head. For me, I usually like to do my chin like closer to the circle because this, like all this space here, is like it's just gonna make the character look like they have like a really like gigantic forehead, unless that's what you're going for. If you want for extra guidelines, you can draw a line like this to show like where you want like both sides of the face to be, like I guess to make it more even, and draw a long line directly under your circle. Once you've got your chin done, you can draw a line going like up like this, like towards the head, and do the same thing on this side, and the shape of the head should look like this. Now just make a line right here, it's almost in the middle, and then make a line that's like directly in the middle. And that line in the middle right here would pretty much be like, would be where the eyebrows end so that you can start doing the hair and the forehead. Sometimes I end up going above the line just for my eyebrows, and depending on the way they're shaped, but this is your art style. Now in this space with these two lines, you can draw circles for eyes, you can even draw like squares for eyes if that's more of your eye shape. Mine are more like circles, so I would draw circles. I usually do this after I draw the eyes, but you can start to like map out where the eyelids would be and your eyebrows. So now here, you're going to draw a little triangle or whatever shape your nose is. If your nose is like literally just a line, you could just do that if you wanted. But that's not how my style of nose is. My noses tend to be like a line right here and then like a nostril right there. You can just draw like a little rectangle where your mouth can be, or like how wide it is, where the mouth is gonna start and stuff like that. And you know, if it's just gonna be like a normal smile, then you can draw it like this. Or if your mouth is gonna be like open, you could draw like a little like circle, or you could draw like, I don't know, just depending on what shape your mouth is, you could do that. Or like that. Just say like they're angry or something. And if you want, you don't even have to do just like a rectangle. You could just go straight for it and just draw a smile. That's usually what I do. But that's just for if you don't plan on drawing the smile yet, or the mouth. Now, I've erased most of the guidelines to avoid confusion, but you're gonna draw a long line on top of the eyes and where the nose is for the ears. And this is how I usually shape my ears, just a line going up, that way, and like that. Then you can draw your eye and other facial features, and you're done. If you want to know how to draw eyes, you can find it in the art class playlist, as well as many other things to draw. And if you want to know how to draw hair, like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.